Hello and good afternoon from Mount Dora, Florida. We are here today to go to an event called Pitmasters and Pours. Mount Dora is known for having so many different festivals, so I can't wait to go check out all of the barbecue that we can eat or little appetizers that they're going to be providing. Now, I did stop right here at Edge Coffee to try their coffee because it is one that I've wanted to try, and I've been a little disappointed with all the other coffee shops in Mount Dora so far. So let's see what this tastes like. Alright, that's actually pretty good. I could get behind this coffee shop and come here once in a while. Not my favorite, but really good, especially for Mount Dora area. Alright, the first one I'm going to be trying is Grandma's Barbecue. Now, you get a little sample size. You can purchase the food if you want to, but you get the sample size included with admission. Wow, that's some really good pulled pork. The next one I'm going to be trying is 3G's Barbecue. They did have ones without bone, which Lindsay took. I got the one with bone in it. Look how small it is, but there's plenty more booths that we're going to be checking out. Oh. Okay, not bad. So far, Grandma's Barbecue is the best, but I've got a lot more tents to go. The next one that we come up to has strawberry shortcake and key lime pie, so you can choose either one. But then also, they do have little mini ribs that you get to try. Let's see how these are. Wow, Hertz Barbecue is really good, especially for little ribs. I like the flavoring a lot. The next one that we come up to is Munchie's Live Barbecue. Look at this. There's a lot on this little plate, and this is just a sample size. All right, let's try some of this. I'm gonna try the rice and beans. Wow, those rice and beans are incredible. Oh, this is not disappointing at all. Okay, now I need to try some of the ribs. Oh my gosh, that is really tender. And that's my favorite rib so far. Oh, that's really good. All right, now I'm about to try Mommy's Barbecue. They have some greens in there and a rib, so let's see what this is like. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, that's really good. And her barbecue sauce is incredible. This is up there with the other rib that I just had a second ago. All right, now it's time to try Clayton Street Catering. All right, let's see how this is. Not bad. The sauce definitely helps. Not my favorite so far though. All right, now it's time to try Jimmy Bear's Barbecue, and they have pork belly. Really good pork belly. I'm not a huge fan of pork belly normally, but this one is actually really soft and lots of flavor.
Everybody doing good? Appreciate y'all hanging out here today. Pitmasters and Pours. This next one up is by a guy named Sturgill Simpson. We hope you enjoy.
There isn't just barbecue here. For anybody 21 and older, Jack Daniels is here, and that's not the only one we're gonna be trying. There's a few other tents, but I got the Gentleman's Jack. This is probably one of my favorite, or my best friend's favorite drinks. I haven't had Jack's in quite a long time. Whoa, woo! That is strong. Right next to the Jack Daniels booth, there is the Woodford Reserve, and this is their whiskey. Wow, that's actually a lot better than the Jack Daniels. It's not as strong as a double barrel, but it's really smooth. All right, hands down, this event is incredible. There is so much food that you can taste, especially all those different liquors that you can try, the whiskeys or the Jack Daniels. They did have a few different bars that you can actually go to, get different concoctions or different beers. And the live music is definitely a place where you can hang out and spend some time. My favorite of all was Grandma's Barbecue. I had to get some to go so me and Lindsay could split it. Ribs with mac and cheese. But if you liked today's adventure, coming with us, going to Mount Dora, checking out this amazing event that I highly recommend, especially for $20 and getting little appetizers, is not bad. But if you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button so you get notified every time I come out with a future video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, we will see you down the road.
I better get up and go find